Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So a very short sharp video today. So it seems that we might have some clues on the new price of the DJI Mini SE. As you can see in this photo, this is taken from Walmart in the States. It looks like the individual pricing for the new DJI Mini SE is coming in around 300 US dollars, which is just over £200 if you're in the UK. That is quite incredibly cheap. However, here's an interesting thing. I think some of the pricing has actually changed on the DJI Mavic Mini because just recently the DJI Mavic Mini was retailing on Amazon for only £359 for the Fly More combo. So you get 3 batteries, you get your case and everything else. So this is a really, really interesting one, guys. But yeah, what do you think to the price, and do you think that's about right? I think for DJI to launch a entry-level consumer drone to get more people flying, that price of 300 US dollars or just over 210, £215, that does actually seem about where I thought it was going to be. But anyway, I'm not going to talk too much on this video. If you want to check out my full video where I did a first look and review of the specifications of the new DJI Mini SE, then you can do so using this card, and I will leave a link in the description below. So a very, very interesting one, especially given the fact that it's pretty much the DJI Mavic Mini. There's pretty much no performance difference, maybe slightly better wind due to those stronger props. But ultimately, it should be a really, really cheap drone to get people flying. However, if you want to have the latest products from DJI, fair enough. For me, I think the way to go would still be a Mavic Mini Fly More combo, or maybe possibly a second-hand one as well. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and see you again soon.